Hello friends, my name is Yulia Demina. I am a master trainer in permanent makeup from Moscow and an ambassador for the company Face. And today I want to talk to you about pigments, specifically mineral pigments and organic pigments. What is the difference? What should be taken into account when working with both types of pigments? Let's figure it all out and understand. The Face line has 3 eyebrow pigment lines. This is a classic line familiar to everyone. It is the eyebrow line that masters have been working with for many years. This is a hybrid line based on minerals. Not long ago, we received the opportunity to work with the mineral eyebrow line from the company Face. Recently, we received an organic eyebrow line product also from the company Face. The composition of the pigments is the same. It consists of water, alcohol, and glycerin. Glycerin is added to some pigments while it is not included in others. And the extract of witch hazel. The dyes included in the pigment, of course, have different origins. Mineral dyes. These are iron oxides and chromium oxides. This is a coarser grind of the particles. These are lighter residues in the healed state. And this is a denser styling, sometimes a heavier styling for the master in terms of design and appearance. What you need to consider when working with the mineral pigment line from Face. I always apply these pigments with shorter strokes and a greater overlap. In my work, I have an overlap of 80 to 20. I do not rush during the process. I try to deposit the maximum amount of pigment into the skin in the first pass. It is also worth mentioning that when working with mineral pigments, your work will be more moist. That is, when we apply the minerals, serum is released, and this is generally considered normal. If we talk about the organic line for eyebrows, the dyes added to the composition of the pigments have a completely different nature of origin. These are not natural organics, they are synthetic dyes that are obtained synthetically in laboratory conditions. The pigment molecule has a finer grind, it penetrates the skin very well, and when working with such pigments, it is necessary to apply them as superficially as possible and not as densely as with minerals. When working with this line, less densely, more superficially, with a lighter stroke and less overlap. The overlap in working with such pigments is 50%. Well, friends, I hope I was helpful to you today. Be sure to leave comments and ask questions. And don't forget to like us and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the most relevant and useful video lessons. Goodbye, everyone.